Engineering is a critical enabler to realize of SDGs, Agenda 2063 of the African Union, and Kenya's Vision 2030, as underpinned by the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Better is our government plans of socio-economic transformation. As we engineer a new world, rapid urbanization in Kenya and Africa has been put to test, especially in collapsing of buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure. We lose people to collapsing buildings and substandard roads, mostly linked to unqualified or uncertified practitioners in the industry. This puts the reputation of the profession under question of a competency of members. We are ready to work with the Engineers Board of Kenya and other relevant agencies in clamping down quacks. Through the right ministries, we invite you for an engagement on legal and policy frameworks. Besides monitoring and regulating education and training, eliminating intruders is one of the ways of restoring dignity to the engineering profession. On this note, I wish to declare the 30th Institution of Engineers of Kenya Annual International Convention and the 18th General Assembly of the World Council of Civil Engineers officially open. To rethink our engineering, there must be a paradigm shift, especially in the education system, to groom and nurture new talent and skills. In Kenya, for instance, we are implementing the competence-based curriculum, which focuses more on nurturing skills and talents. In such a system, students gifted in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subjects will be helped to sharpen their skills for better results. Considering that engineering is one of the most expensive courses, we have revised the funding model for tertiary education to enable students from poor economic backgrounds access the course of their choice. In our commitment to deliver reforms in the education sector, we allocated 27.4% of our national budget in the current financial year.